Hey, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the unboxing of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 in cream. As you see here, I've been using a folding phone every day since the release of the Galaxy Z Fold 3. This is the Fold 4. I'm definitely team fold over team flip. I've never seen the fascination with them, but this one has got me excited, mainly because of the cover display, which we'll see in a moment. But I thought, time to give it a fair try. I can't say I'm team fold without giving the flip a fair try. So let's get into it. So nice eco-friendly packaging with the paper tear-offs on the back again. Definitely in favour of that over the plastic wrap that used to come in. That doesn't quite peel off. Put the phone to the side. In the top half of the box, again, more cardboard packaging. Got a phone cable, warranty booklet, yarn, and a, don't know what this one is, let's see, SIM card ejector tool, of course. That's just some general information, bit of a quick start guide, I imagine, blah blah blah, boring paperwork. There we go. The exciting part, the phone. Looks a bit weird in that just looks like a really clean matte back phone with like no logos, nothing, just two cameras, just a normal slab phone. If we peel that out, move the boxes to the side there, give some space for this baby. And let's tear this off. It's not quite the peel and satisfaction, but it's quite nice just to hear that little tear, a little bit of ASMR there, although I didn't quite get off. There we go. And there she is. So this is the closest I've had to a slab phone for a while. That's a nice cream colour there, very minimal bit of writing on the back. And the screen blends in quite well to that top part. You can't actually see where's screen and where's bezel. But obviously we know it's that like folder shape cut out around the cameras. So your two cameras at the top, 12 megapixel wide and 12 megapixel zoom as well. And let's give it the first close. Nice, it feels nice and stiff. Hopefully it stays that way. Not stiff, but firm, comfortable. You've got your power button and the fingerprint unlock on the side, as well as your volume up and volume down. USB-C at the bottom with a single speaker grill. Two microphones at the bottom, one microphone on what will be the top when it's unlocked. SIM card tray on the other side, and then some Samsung branding on the back there, so it's just kind of etched into it, can't even really feel it. Obviously that new hinge gives it that flat design instead of the wedge shape. Again, another reason why I'm starting to get interested in the flip as well as the fold. You see the cameras are raised slightly there. And it's nice and thin when it's open as well. There. I'm going to power it up and then give my first impressions on the phone. I mean, to hold it, it's very light, it doesn't actually feel quite real. Of course, like I said, I've been daily driving a Fold for the last couple of years, so anything's going to feel light in comparison, I suppose. You know, even with the screen on in black, thanks to the Super AMOLED there, you cannot see the difference between the screen and the bezels when it's in black, which I really like. One of the benefits of being in the UK is you've not got the ultra-wideband 5G like cut out on these phones like you do in the States, which I like. I kind of feel like it ruins the look when you obviously see the videos coming from America. Like, that's not quite as clean as I'd like it to be. Understand the reasons, but still, you get 5G in the UK and we don't have to have the big go set it up manually because that's how I roll, and also because that pop-up there is just disconnected the tablet that I'm filming on, so I'm actually using the Tab S9 Ultra to film this video. So we're going to do some magic and get this set up in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I have done the initial setup, and so far the phone feels really quick, smooth, sponsored with that Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Samsung, longest chip name ever. Couple of things that I'm not too keen on straight away and I will be changing. I keep saying this, but I don't like some Google messages, right? I prefer Samsung messages. Reasons for it, maybe I'll do a video comparing the two, but I just think Samsung messages is a lot better than Google messages, in my opinion. So we're changing that. Obviously, by default, that's very big app icons, so that'll be getting changed. I'll have a little tinker and obviously get set up, and of course gestures beat buttons every time. One thing I don't actually like is the fingerprint unlock is really high. Now obviously it makes sense to be higher up because of your thumb, you just kind of do that, but that's when you unlock the phone, that's really high, but your thumb would naturally rest probably around the hinge. I'm guessing that's why it's high, but that is a lot higher. I mean, if you compare it to where it is on the Fold, which is a big boy anyway, big and tall, not quite as big and tall, there's a comparison between the two. You can see the difference in where the power button / fingerprint sensor is from there. Obviously my muscle memory, of course, but that is just really quick. I mean, that's ready to go. So it's probably going to get take a bit of getting used to reaching all the way up high to get to the fingerprint sensor, and even higher still for the volume. You're probably going to have to shuffle your hands up to get to the volume there. But you know, these are small things that we sacrifice for having a hinge, so you can do things like this. Now a lot of people will notice there are a lot of sacrifices you make with a folding phone. For example, this is thick, it's heavy, it's narrow, this is really tall, fingerprint sensor is really high, volume buttons are really high. They both have creases, but to me, the negatives or the drawbacks of these devices are outweighed 10 to 1 by the benefits and the pros of having a folding display. I mean, for example, speaking of the device being tall, if you're scrolling, you're probably scrolling more like this, right, than like this, right up from the top. Especially if you're on an app like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, wherever, X. It's very rare you'd be scrolling like this. That doesn't make sense. You would scroll in the bottom half, like this. So you're not really going to be resting your thumb on the crease that much. Can you feel it? Yeah, of course you can. It's a folding display, you can feel the crease. It's not like ba-dum-dum. Do you mean it just glides over smoothly? It's fine. And like I say, you know, to me, the drawbacks of having a folding display do not outweigh the benefits of having a folding display. Each their own, but that's my opinion. Sticking with it, can't change my mind. Folding displays are the future. They will be the mainstream one day, maybe 5, 10, 15 years away, but I'm enjoying it now, so I'm going to keep using folding phones. If you have any questions at all about the Z Flip 5, then let me know, and I'll answer them in future upcoming videos. But till then, thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day on this September 1st, 2023. Can't believe Christmas is fast approaching. These are nice, I can get used to these little widget bits. These are really useful, really cool. Got weather, alarm. But I'll dive more into the phone. I'll probably play about with it. And yeah, I'll keep you updated. There'll be a review, there'll be updates, and how I'm getting along with it. Thoughts and feelings on the phone. So subscribe for all that. And give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Really appreciate it. So this isn't a review device. This is a device I paid for with my own money. So every little helps. If you could support the channel in any way, I would really appreciate it. Thank you.